Your wife be there.
Okay, what you do? You are stop there. No, talk about. No.
When this my brother, wait. Now you tell me make I do this loyalty test too. No, I don't turn. I don't turn on that thing. Calm down, bro.
You see, you forget. If I don't kill you with my hand, you can't. Go to one. When you me now, this just went for me said you don't get anything. No one anything to go and I'm not guess.
I understand. Alright guys, I go by the name 5-star, popularly known as Lord of Lemon, and I'm here with
the Wise One Comedy
and with my brother
King Jim Michael.
So guys, this is my big bro here. He give me one strong work, what I need like do. So he asked me to do a prank video of his wife. So I had to make it this way, in the sense of like, this my brother here, Wise One, has been chatting with his wife for about 2 weeks.
2 weeks plus now.
Okay, 2 weeks plus. 2 weeks okay, plus. Good. And to be honest, man, I don't know what's in now. I didn't see on that chat now. You don't show me on that chat. I'm a bro. Your wife, they actually did for you understand? And your wife tell and say he never marry. I lie?
No, she actually said she never married. She's very single. In fact, she's even coming around today.
So, bro, so that's why I tell you, okay, today night this prank will work. You understand? So, bro,
I don't believe that one.
I don't say no believe that. People know they believe that. But
more, you say my wife, then you say
that is
my own wife, then you say they come.
I understand. So, bro, I understand. But Mo could see how it go be. I hope making no just be violent something. You understand? Yes, it should not end in tears. I believe say you know go vex. You understand? Mo could see how it go be. And this your Yoruba woman, Igbo marrying Yoruba. Actually, my wife now Yoruba, but we'll see how it be.
Let's go there.
Let's go there, guys. Don't forget to share this video. Make sure you share it.
What's up?
Hey, Jare.
Are you fine? You okay?
I'm fine. I just get tired. I was in distress. From my shop, me te duro go mo ko sare gbo kada say ma dey come to remit you.
True. You don't even dish yourself.
I say I no more dele rara. I no even go my house.
You still want to drink again or you want to check?
I just want rest. I want relax for now.
Rest. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. How long pe we dey go?
No worry. No. Have a bro. Ade. Enter. It's open.
Who dey call?
Nothing.
Who dey call?
Sorry.
Hey!
Bro, I tell you say, I go prank her. I tell you say, I go help you do this work well. See your wife. See your wife. See him. Now your wife. Now your wife. Now your wife.
Okay, you even they put on towel. Now towel you wear so abi.
Wait.
First. When they can't make here now. Now.
Bro, you say make I prank him. I don't prank him. Now my work I do so.
Okay, you don't wear. You put on towel.
Camera, come.
Know what you are thinking, no. It is not.
I never understand. Okay, what they can't make here now? What they put on towel?
Now the prank be that, bro. We don't do him. Your wife be there.
Okay, what you do? You are towel. Stop there.
No, talk about. No. No, beat down. No, beat down. Calm down.
Wait.
Calm down.
Hold on.
Calm down. No beat down. No beat down. Calm down. Out there.
You know you tell me say that. Can you not come here? What you do this one? Maybe the other one come here. It's simply chill.
No sense. It is not what you are thinking.
You keep quiet.
Now you tell me say, wait.
this girl. Hold on, what thing?
Bro, now you tell me say make I prank am. Now you tell us someone go prank am. Nothing really happen. Now you just say go prank am.
You just wanted to see Anoda. You just see Anoda. Nothing really happened. Nothing really happened.
Nothing.
Thunder for movie.
Man, sit on the mouth. So you say by your husband, you follow another man call here. By your husband, you follow another man call here. The man deceive you. The man deceive you. You must get useless man.
Okay, now what? Okay, yeah, now what you do? So yeah, this girl, man, I'm
Wait now, chill now. Now you tell me something I do this loyalty test. Now you tell me I do this loyalty test. No, I don't turn. I don't turn on that thing. Calm down, bro.
You see, you will forget. If I don't kill you with my hand, go to one more. This is awake now. They will start hearing this noise. Calm down. Which mission fucking is to me? Calm down, calm down. You know the right first one for this girl.
I don't die.
Bro, when I ask him, when this my brother, bro, when this my brother, you know say you tell me something like prank him. When we do loyalty test for him. So this my brother on the phone and the chats since about 2 weeks now. So some of them I know they talk, but they never do anything.
Nothing really happened.
Nothing really happened. Now you hear everything. Now everything. So now this your wife. Your wife. Hold on. What I tell you, bro. Wait first. Oh, let me make another like John Sky. Let me make another like John Sky prank.
Normally, if it was not to be a prank, something would have gone down.
Normal.
I could not do something serious.
You know what you mean? I don't pay for something for you. You know what you tell me?
That's what you should.
Thank God it's a prank.
Chicken and all prank. As soon as it's not prank, not about who you go.
That is that.
Wait.
Okay, if you don't prank it now, what for you?
Wait, bro.
That's not supposed to be.
Wait, bro. I don't do the loyalty test for you. I don't tell make you put am. See person wife. No touch am.
Police go hold you.
Bro, no
You know
touch am.
what you are thinking, no, I swear.
Bro, no touch am. Calm down.
Carry me go where this people go now. What carry me go?
I understand, bro. Chill first.
I beg.
Love be this one.
Bro,
You know say I
calm
love
down,
you.
bro.
You know say I love you.
Madam, shut up your mouth. I
Abeg,
dey tell you this thing. Shut up your mouth.
Okay, I beg.
Shut up your mouth. Make shame kill you.
I beg.
Yo, you get husband since you tell her you just say you no get husband.
I tell you, I don't become done with this girl.
I'm done with one. I want to see one. I'm done. I'm fucking
No, don't be done.
So what you do for my back?
No, don't be done.
Chill.
Chill.
I don't know what you are telling me.
Wanna go settle chill.
Now don't settle anything with this fool. Why am I settle one? Some settle with you.
Oh, one way again. Now your sister see your wife.
Baby, please.
Go and see your wife.
Baby, please. Yeah. Oh, you are no best.
Nah, this girl.
Wait, bro.
You supposed to know now. For you. I don't like the way you
Calm down.
Just calm down,
I
bro.
don't like the way you
Hold on.
Calm down, bro.
You
Bro, calm down.
When you met him, she said make him prank him. And you want to know how just introduction you do, they don't give you list. You don't see him now, it's left for you to know if you want to continue or you want to still stay.
Calm down. This just went for me said you don't get anything. No one anything to cry now.
I understand.
You make no sense now.
Bro, don't calm down. I understand. Bro, calm down. Calm down, bro. Calm down. Just chill.
You see me, I was on. All my clothes they on me now.
I don't like make stuff when I get problem, bro. I understand. Say yes, you don't fuck up. I don't do my own
We
job.
have to disagree to agree.
I
We've
beg.
done our job now.
When you tell me, what do you I become fucking done.
That's why they like to do this kind of prank. Anybody will chat me say he want pranking wife. Husband want prank wife want prank husband. Now me they like do this kind of prank. Now me they like do this kind of thing. They see him now.
Because at first you agree that
you see him now.
He asked you that one day it will all be. Can you take it if
you see him now?
Out of what you are thinking. You say yes, you can take it now.
How long How long have you guys stay now?
Almost a year. Getting to a year now.
Getting to a year.
Getting to a year.
Marriage getting to a year. Women.
Heart of man is desperately wicked. See,
marriage getting to a year. Women.
Now that at least it's a prank now. Say yes, you don't see the kind
of.
I'm
saying why that no one I know if you do this kind of thing.
You just don't vouch for somebody.
So open up, what if not be you now? Open up another. What if you? Okay, that was the money I become dumb. Don't want to see anything when I get again for my life. Now mistake what I do with that. Yeah, big mistake. I don't even know what to carry me
bro, just chill. Chill. We go settle this matter. Chill.
Calm down.
Bro, chill. Go settle this matter. Just chill.
Calm down. Calm down.
Chill, go settle this matter. Just chill, bro. Calm down. Nothing this up.